Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Samsung Galaxy A33. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Samsung is up to unveil the Galaxy A33 smartphone. Samsung Galaxy A33. A big battery phone. Samsung is working on a 5G affordable smartphone, which will be a budget-friendly phone and will be more powerful. There is no information about this upcoming smartphone or the company's release date. The newcomer will be called Samsung Galaxy A33. The smartphone got a chipset of Exynos 1200 SoC, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this device it has a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor inside the Samsung's Galaxy A33 to make the device ultra-fast. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.4 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The new Samsung Galaxy A33 is having a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. The smartphone has got 8GB of RAM capacity in Galaxy A33 by Samsung that is usually used in the high-end smartphones of most companies. The manufacturer of the company introduces it in the handset to capture the attention of the users. The internal storage capacity of the Samsung A33 will be 128GB. This is a huge amount of storage capacity that will provide the user of this device to store a huge amount of data for future use. Also, there is glass protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The smartphone is going to pack the Samsung Galaxy's A33 with a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 48 megapixels wide, 8 megapixels ultra-wide, 5 megapixels macro, and 2 megapixels depth. The selfie camera will be a 13 megapixel for capturing photos and movies of your loving ones. There is an under-display optical fingerprint reader in the Samsung Galaxy A33 to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery of the Galaxy A33s will be somewhere around 5000 mAh. This is enough power for this smartphone, and there is a 25 watt of fast battery charging. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.